morning, everybody. Welcome to my first vlog of the new year. Happy New Year. It's 2025, and I just want to say this is gonna be a year for me, okay? If you don't believe me now, just keep watching throughout the year and you'll see this is my year. I know people be saying that and then they don't be their year. This is my year, for real. I'm actually on my way to Taylor's house right now because her birthday is Monday, January 6th, which is also Kanye's birthday. And we are going on a ski trip this weekend for the celebration of her birthday. I know the sun is beaming, but it's freezing outside and it's not even snowing here. Oh, yesterday, out of nowhere, not on the forecast at all, it started snowing, and it was snowing hard. Like, it was sticking and everything. Like, big flurries. It was only supposed to rain for like an hour and a half. That was in the forecast, rain. But it was actually snow. And then freaking, yeah. And then when I opened my weather app while it was snowing, it told me that it was thunderstorming, which it literally wasn't. It was snowing. So yeah, but Monday it's supposed to actually snow. Like, that's in the forecast, 90% snow all day long. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I'm on my way to Taylor's house for the ski trip, and I will take y'all with me throughout the weekend, so just stay tuned. I don't know what this is all about, but I'm going up this mountain to save my marriage.
Take a sharp right turn onto Forest Street.
What do you mean? This shit is fucking up my nerves.
Whoa.
Not 32. Well, technically it's 32 because we're adding the and counts. So hopefully that'll make it a little bit easier for you. So the very first move is the temptation push. That's the first 4 counts. Let's do that together. You're going to push on the right, then push on the left. It looks like this. Push right, push left. Let's do it with the count.
Okay, we're going to our snow activities today, so I'm getting dressed. I already have on my jumpsuit because y'all not about to see me naked. So I have on my jumpsuit and I have socks over, sweatpants, sweatpants on. Then we're gonna go hoodie. Actually, okay, I'm back. I decided I should probably go pee before I put that hoodie on, because if I didn't, I would be stuck. So now, then we're gonna go snow pants. Yeah, your boots are cute. You're welcome. Okay, and then I'll be back later. And you already know what's about to happen. I need to look perfectly chilled. Don't play with her. Just trust the process. Okay, we're about to start. Yeah. Let's get ready to roll. Yes. Okay, we already went on the tube, but it just happened so fast I couldn't record. So we're gonna go again. And y'all are gonna see this time. Whoa!
So make sure these are up. Your boot will go in here like this. These are quick release, just one finger. Pulls it right up. Okay, you just drop your boot in there, put it over the top, crank it tight. Okay, once you get your boot in there, your front foot will pretty much always stay on the board. Your back foot you'll pop out when you're down at the bottom and you want to kind of move around.
Okay.
You're going to pop your back foot out because that's going to be the foot you're going to push yourself with.
Okay.
Kind of like a skateboard, except you're going to push sideways, okay, because your front foot is still attached. Okay, so that's why we have your control foot in the back.
Okay.
So you can do that. And then you want to start out probably right over here. This is our little beginner area.
Okay.
It's very gentle slope. You're not going to get going too fast, but that's a good place to start.
Okay.
And then there's on the other side, there's a slightly longer carpet area. That's a little more challenging. So I'd be pretty comfortable over here before you go over there.
Okay.
Okay, because you can pick up some real speed on that. Even though it's not very far, you can still get going.
Okay.
And we don't want you to end up in the restaurant.
Yes.
Okay? But yeah.
Dust yourself off and try again. Oh, you're one of the cool kids. Oh? Okay. Okay, so as you can see, I'm back home. Unfortunately, we had to cut the trip short just because where I live, we're supposed to have a snowstorm starting tonight, and it's supposed to be bad. So we made an executive decision and decided to come back after we left from snowboarding and snow tubing, so we can beat the snow and be in the comfort of our own homes. And so we didn't get to bring in Taylor's birthday at midnight with her, but of course we're gonna text her, call her, everything, the whole nine. But yeah, bummer. But on the bright side, we did do literally everything that we said that we were gonna do, so I feel like a win is a win. And we were gonna come back, originally we were gonna come back early tomorrow morning anyways, but we just ended up coming back today. So yeah, come home a day early, but it's okay. I'm home and I'm safe, so yeah. So I left the mountains to come back to snow. So I'm literally outside shoveling my car out, cleaning my car off. I did the whole left side of my car as far as cleaning it off and shoveling it out, and now I have the whole second half of the right side. And as you can see, it's still actively snowing.
Okay. Once the wishes are complete, let's go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kanye. Happy birthday to you. Yay.
Okay, make a wish.
Okay. First legal shot. Woo!
You're welcome.
I made it so it's wrapped up. It's like I hope it doesn't look like well, she probably already showed you.
Okay, y'all, overall, that was my weekend in the mountains and then back home and for my brother's birthday. I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog, this little mini vlog. And once again, Happy New Year, and I will see you guys with more videos to come later on throughout the year. Okay, bye.